Hi, in this video, we will see how to enable change automation by integrating TrueSight Automation Console with TrueSight Orchestration and ITSM. We'll configure the TSO in Tsac, navigate to connectors, select the orchestrator connector, edit, provide the TSO server and the port and the TSO username. For me, it's AOadmin and the password. Make sure you click on this small save icon before saving overall page. Select your grid. So for me, it is my grid. Make change approval mandatory. So I will just uncheck this one. Let's enable it. So we have successfully configured orchestrator connector in Tsac. So now we will create a job with ITSM schedule. I will create a vulnerability remediation operation with ITSM schedule. Navigate to operations, add operations, provide the operation name, select your desired vulnerability to remediate, click next, next, select set a schedule. So I will schedule it for next 2 hours. Select the change approval management, select change template. I will select default one since I configured my ITSM automation runbook in default template. Save the job. We can see our job is created and the status is awaiting approval, and we can see the CRQ got generated. If you will click the CRQ, it will show the status as new. So let me approve the job now in ITSM. So I have approved this job. So let's go back to the Tsac. Job is in awaiting approval since data refresh from Tsac is yet to execute. To configure data refresh, navigate to connectors, edit TSSA connector. By default, it is scheduled for 1 hour, so user can change it. So let's click on the CRQ. We can see it is ready to execute from new and the status is awaiting execution. So at the given schedule, the job will get executed. So at schedule time, the job has completed successfully and the CRQ is also showing completed. Troubleshooting section. So since Tsac is microservice based application and each microservice does its own work. For example, for login microservice is being used, and for TSO activity, the TSO connector microservice is being used. So if we are seeing any issue in the ITSM schedule, so we can start with the TSO connector log followed with the DRW logs. So here it is the TSO connector logs and its location, DRW log and its location, and the work manager log and its location. So we'll go back to server. So this is the location and this is the file. So let me cat it. So if any error or anything comes up, it will be start showing over here and we will be able to take the troubleshooting ahead. We can also collect the diagnostic information to share with support team to check and troubleshoot the issue. So in the documentation, collecting diagnostic information section there, and here it is command stack manager collects logs and stack manager collect -logs -include config file. This will help to troubleshoot the issue and it will collect all the required logs instead of navigating to each microservice and collecting the logs. We'll see the demo. So I will log into my Tsac server. So my stack manager, it is installed in opt bmc. So I will just paste that command. Depend upon the log file size from all the microservices, it might take couple of seconds or a minute completed. So let's do ls-lthr. I can see this is the latest one. The zip file got created. Thank you.